Want a quick way to spot discontinued products in your inventory? Let's use conditional formatting to make them stand out automatically, with a strike-through and gray highlight. First, I'll select my entire product list, including the availability column. Then, I'll go to Home, click Conditional Formatting, choose New Rule, and select Use a Formula. Let's use the conditional formula. Select the availability column and lock the column, and this should be equal to discontinued. This checks if the availability column says discontinued for each row. Next, let's hit Format, go to the Font tab, and tick Strike-through. Then, on the Fill tab, I'll pick a light gray. Click OK. And there it is. All discontinued products are now crossed out and grayed out, making it super clear which items are no longer in stock. This trick keeps your inventory sheet clean and easy to read, and updates automatically whenever you change a product's status. That's part 26 of our 500+ Excel tips in the playlist. If you find it useful, go ahead and subscribe for more quick Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.